Hi, work from home family. Welcome back to the channel. I have amazing opportunities for you if you're looking for data entry remote job, a job you can do from home. This one is for you. I have two opportunities here for you today. If you're interested in data entry job and transcription, then this video is for you. Please, this video is for educational purposes only. Make sure to do your own independent research before applying to any job out there. You are not supposed to pay money to get a job. Also, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to actually commit to working for these companies. If you're looking for a remote job you can do from anywhere, then hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the week. Let's get started. The first one is hivemicro.com. What you do on this platform is categorization. You organize your media with discrete categories like bowling, shoes, bounding boxes like so, identifying items of interest with one or many bounding boxes. Audio transcription, you listen to an audio snippet and write down what is said. Segmentation, classify each pixel of an image like so. They have over community of 1.5 users from 200 countries and thereabout. They also have a mobile app if that works best for you. The name again is Hive Micro, hivemicro.com. So you go and sign up, apply for jobs, complete tasks on this platform. It is available worldwide, okay? Whatever you earn from this platform depends on your level of commitment. Each qualifying exam unlocks new tasks for you to do. Examples are draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, track the same objects across frames in a video. Who gives the tasks? A variety of teams from small startups, universities, and large companies come to them to solve big problems like banning hate speech, making videos searchable, or building autonomous vehicles. So go ahead and apply for jobs on this platform. I'm not going to talk about any potentials due to YouTube policy. So do your own research before you apply. And the second one, which is my best for this video, is from GoTranscript. GoTranscript has been out of jobs for quite some time. They've not been hiring people for quite some time now, but they do. Okay, they have current openings. They are currently short on transcribers and editors, and hiring is fully open. If you have been coming to this company's page, you would know that they have not had any openings for a while, even for like a year now. They've only had openings for some languages, but now they are fully open. They are hiring now. They're hiring for several major projects starting on April 30th, May 15th, and July 1st, 2026, with more to follow. Combined, these projects will cover 130 languages worldwide. Apply in your strongest or native language. So feel free to come to GoTranscript.com. You'll find flexible remote work opportunities for skilled linguists. If you enjoy flexible remote work, then come here and start working. Come here and apply for jobs. Join their team of language experts. They're hiring in 140 languages to deliver high quality human-made transcriptions and translations worldwide. You're free to become a transcriber or a translator. You know the work of a transcriber. You listen to audio messages. You transcribe whatever you hear into text. Translator, you watch a video or listen to audio and then translate the language into English or into a different language. So you make your choice, whichever one you want to go for. There is massive hiring. They are hiring massively right now. Okay. They have over 19 plus years of experience and they hire freelancers from all over the world. If you're looking for a remote job you can do from basically anywhere in the world, this is your go-to. Okay, So on this channel, we share remote opportunities that you can do from anywhere. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You must be committed to doing these jobs. All right? If you're coming here for get-rich-quick scheme, then this channel is not for you. We support over 140 languages, meaning almost everyone can find their language here. Whether you're just starting or an experienced professional, there's a place for you in their global network. As they expand, even more languages and opportunities will be available, offering you a growing platforms to showcase your skills. You can see the payment method, which makes it reliable for a worldwide audience. If you're detail-oriented with excellent grammar skills in your language and a fast typing speed, they seek skilled transcribers with a keen ear accuracy and a commitment to quality. Apply now to join their professional team. If you're looking to increase your typing speed, because you need to be able to type at least 60 words per minute, you can go to typingtest.com to practice for free. So choose your application language. Is it in English, French, whichever one. French applications are open, but feel free to select any other language you want to select for this. But you can see here, this is a notice saying that they have several opportunities open for transcribers and editors. So I saw this and I decided to share. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you want more remote transcription jobs or any type of remote jobs like data entry, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video as it helps me to keep making more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel if you're joining for the first time. And please share it with someone who is looking for a legit remote job they can do from anywhere in the world. If you're serious about starting, just click on Apply Now button, then select your language. There is no application fee. The application step is 2 steps. You work remotely, you choose jobs when available. You choose your language, you review the transcription rules, take the test, get reviewed, you start working. These are the languages you can work in. Check if your language is here. They have over 140 languages here. This is a global platform offering online audio and video transcription. Contractors speak files such as interviews, meetings, podcasts, lectures, research calls, and corporate recordings. And this is a freelance remote position. You work at your own pace whenever you want. Alright, thank you so much everyone. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, share it with someone, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts in the comment as I have more packed for you. Alright, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.